It's hard to miss the entrance to the Monticello Railway Museum at Monticello, Illinois. Guarding the entrance is the museum's first locomotive, 1930 Alco built 040T number 1. The museum, located 15 miles west of Champaign in the central part of the state, is home to a wide variety of railroad equipment, and much of that equipment is operational today. It's an early September morning, as museum volunteers are inspecting a freight train that will be operating over the museum's main line throughout the day. This is the museum's Railroad Days, held every September and one of the highlights of the year. Today will feature 4 trains in operation simultaneously, with passenger, freight, and mixed trains on the main line, along with the caboose shuttle in the yard. Railroad Days has long been the biggest operational highlight at the museum. As yet unrestored Southern Railway Consolidation number 401 sits alongside 2 operational steamers in September 1986. The same number 1 that guards the entrance today stands by with another Alco switcher, 1916 built 060 number 191. Number 1 operated for years at the museum, running with its saddle tank removed and a converted Illinois Central water cistern as a tender. Number 1 originally belonged to Western Indiana Aggregate and Stone at Montezuma, Indiana.